Hello friends, why the car pull to the left, problem with the brakes. Another common situation when the car sways from side to side is proceed of increasing or decreasing speed. In the latter case, oxidation or sticking of moving part in the brake system is to blame. The reason for the yaw is the fact that the pistons don't return to their original position. Thus brake occur earlier than necessary, which leads to a car to the side. Why does the car pull to the side when acceleration? This is a completely natural state of affairs. The problem is that the front wheels drive car. The drivers are not different lengths. Both our right and left drive can be longer, depending on how the manufacturer arranged the engine compartment. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.